Let's shift focus and talk about this concern that is now coming from Karnataka. Reports suggest that at least 6 policemen have been suspended by the order of the SP Bangalore South Ramnagar in connection with an incident where gelatin sticks were found to be outskirts of the Bengaluru side when Prime Minister Narendra Modi was visiting on the 10th of May. Now, the policemen have been suspended until further inquiry that would be completed in this case. But this is a concern as far as a security breach when it comes to 6 policemen have now been suspended where after gelatin sticks were found during security checks ahead of the Prime Minister's visit to Bengaluru, and this discovery has triggered an inquiry. What has now been said, if it would have turned out to be in a security lapse, and that to a serious security lapse. The suspensions that has been carried out on the order of the Superintendent of Police in Bengaluru South and pending completion of an inquiry into the incident, which has triggered concerns of a possible security lapse during the Prime Minister's visit back on the 10th of May. Let's connect with Imran on this. So, Imran, action that seems to have been initiated, pending inquiry, the completion of that, 6 policemen have been suspended.
Well, absolutely. In fact, that was a major security breach when the Prime Minister visited Art of Living Ashram there, and that was part of the 40th year anniversary of the celebration of the Art of Living. Prime Minister was one of the VVIP dignitaries invited by the Shri Ravi Shankar to his ashram there, and during the routine inspection by the police there, found that gelatin sticks were found, and one person was suspected had put the gelatin sticks there. Now, the department has conducted an inquiry, and 6 policemen have been suspended for dereliction of duty. We have to wait and see for the final report as to whether the police are able to identify the person responsible for putting the gelatin sticks and whether what was the intention of that person. But that will be the crucial, investigation point. We have to wait and see. But for now, action has been initiated against 6 policemen for dereliction of duty during a high-profile visit at the Shri Ravi Shankar's ashram in Bengaluru.
All right, so this is a development that has now happened. According to the police officials, the gelatin sticks were discovered during a routine security sanitization and also checking operations that was conducted ahead of the Prime Minister's arrival back on the 10th of May. Thank you very much, Imran, for getting us that update. Now let's shift